In this video, we explain how to wire the different elements of the system. Thermostats. Take into consideration the general requirements listed in the Easyzone installation guide before starting to connect the thermostats. Paying special attention to avoiding locating the system bus close to power lines, fluorescent lights, engines, etc., as they may cause interference in communications. Likewise, locate the thermostats away from direct sunlight, electrical currents, and radiators at a minimum height of 1.5 meters from floor level. To wire the thermostats, use Airzone 4 wires twisted shielded cable and follow these steps. Fix the back of the thermostat to the wall and pass the cable through the opening. Connect the cable wires using the tools supplied, always following the color code. Place the thermostat over the fixed support. To connect the thermostat to the Airzone system's main control board, remove a terminal block and fix the cables to it following the color code. Repeat this process for each one of the wired thermostats, and once they are wired, connect them to any one of the 3 terminals in the Airzone connection bus. To connect more than 3 thermostats, use star connection with several thermostats per terminal, or bus connection, using the double thermostat connector. For increased safety, fix the cables using the turrets. In the case of wireless thermostats, fix the back of the thermostat to the wall. Insert the CR2450 button battery. Place the thermostat over the fixed support. Machine Communication Gateway. To connect the Machine Communication Gateway to the plenum, follow the instructions on the technical data sheet issued by the manufacturer or watch the video on myzone.es. Power supply. Lastly, neutral, phase, and earth must be connected on the main control board's power terminal. Ensure that the cable is well fixed and connected respecting polarity. Do not forget to place a main switch or other method of disconnection in accordance with appropriate local and national regulations. Use separate circuits for the AC unit to be controlled and the power supply to the system.